Understanding open-ended in English. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we'll be diving deep into the fascinating world of the English language to explore and understand the phrase, open-ended. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly when and how to use this term. The term, open-ended, can be broken down into two words, open and ended. If you imagine something that is open at one end and not closed off, you'll get a picture of what this phrase suggests. In everyday language, open-ended doesn't usually refer to physical objects. Instead, it's often used in situations where 1. There is no definite answer or single solution. 2. Something can continue indefinitely or has no set limit. For example, if a teacher asks an open-ended question, they're looking for more than just a yes or no. They want you to think, elaborate, and share your thoughts. Let's look at some common examples. 1. Open-ended question. How do you feel about the current environmental issues? 2. Here, the question doesn't have a fixed answer. It allows for varied and lengthy responses. 3. Open-ended ticket. A ticket with no set return date. 4. You can return whenever you wish, providing flexibility. 5. Open-ended project. A project that doesn't have a definite end date or scope. 6. The work might evolve and continue based on various factors. The beauty of the English language lies in its vastness and the depth of its phrases. Open-ended is just one of those phrases that's both versatile and descriptive. Now that you know its meaning and usage, you can confidently incorporate it into your conversations and writings. We hope this has been an enlightening journey for you. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.